All right, so here are some final thoughts about this exercise, activity, whatever you want to call it, investigation, I guess. Obviously, if you have pattern blocks available to you, they're wonderful. They're a great resource. You can do a ton of stuff with them. Check around with maybe middle school math teachers in your school or even elementary. Sometimes they're a manipulative that people pick up over the years and then never really use them because they don't know what to do with them. But if you're able to get a hold of them, they're just a fantastic resource. They're also available in plastic. Again, Karen gave me these nice wooden ones, but they're available in plastic too. So I thought, well, what if you don't have a set of pattern blocks? How would you be able to make your own? Well, I guess one thing you can do is go online. I'm sure you can find a template and print them out and have kids cut them out, put them in Ziploc baggies, color them, and then they have like their own little personal set of pattern blocks. But to me, this investigation of using the pattern blocks and doing some paper folding to generate them was just a really good math investigation. I really think I'm going to ask my geometry students to give this a try. But it was just really interesting to see how to come up with these pattern blocks using just simple paper folding. Again, no measuring at all. You could also even do this if you taught high school geometry, use it as part of a constructions unit. Have them use compass and straight edge to construct the individual pattern blocks. Very easy to do once you know some of the basic constructions. So again, I really appreciate your interest in this. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter or email me. And thanks for playing along and have fun.